So let's talk about Jake. 90% of people will start their shopping process online. Over 85% of those people will start with a search engine like Google. They'll type in BMW 6 Series in Chicago. They'll look at some of the links. They'll more and more frequently click on the video link, want to watch video content on the car itself in their journey. The truth of the matter is, the average customer will be influenced by 24 different touch points in their path to purchase, 19 of which are digital. They will go to third-party sites. They'll look at car and driver sites for best recommendations. They'll visit multiple OEM and dealer sites to gather this information and ensure they're as informed as possible as they're making their decision. And while it's difficult to get in front of these customers in all of these areas, the truth is one thing remains. They look for video across all these sites, and they continue to consume video everywhere they go. That's why it makes it so important that you also are investing in video in not only how you advertise, but on your websites themselves, and we'll talk more about that in a few minutes. I love this slide, and I can't take credit for it. Phil built it, but prime time used to be on television. That is where we would get our content in front of people, where sight, sound, and motion came to life. But now, thanks to mobile devices, these devices that are with us 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, I would venture to guess the majority of us are never outside of arm's reach with our mobile device. That is the new prime time. That is the new screen to be in front of. And you have the ability to really be in front of this customer in the moments that matter, when they're researching, when they're looking for your vehicles, and put video content in front of them.